Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can get out of your Canton Instagram from some other devices. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments at the end of this video. And let's get down to our topic. And let's say that if you have a situation that you suspect that someone has logged into your account from another device. Or you logged into your account from some other device, but you forgot to log out. You can do it remotely. I'll show you how. Open the Instagram app and then go to your profile. Then in the top right corner, click on the three bars. Then Settings and Privacy. Here you need to go to Meta Account Center. Next, select Password Security. Next is where you logged in. Now select your Instagram account. And you'll be able to see absolutely every device that you've logged into your account from. As you can see, I have multiple devices here. This is the device that I'm on Instagram from right now. This is the iPhone X, also my second phone. And also another device. And now, let's say if you'd like to log out of some devices, you might have more devices there, and 5 and 10. To do that, click right here, and then select one or more devices, as many as you want, and then click on this big blue button at the bottom, Log Out. And as soon as you do that, immediately you'll be remotely logged out of your account on the device you wanted to do it from. That's the way it is, friends. You can easily log out of your Instagram account from other devices very quickly. I really hope this video has helped you and it was useful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.